Hi, I'm Brooke from All Things Thrifty, and welcome to my property. Today is a great and dreadful day. We have had our first freeze, so there's a lot on my to-do list. I need to remove a bunch of plants, I need to pick some pomegranates, and I need to trim back my grapevines. It's getting cold fast, so today is the last day I have to get all my flower beds and my to-do list done. Before I can start on that hefty to-do list, I need to make sure that my tools are ready and in working condition. So I have my 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil and these rusted tools that sometimes get stuck in the closed position. I'm just going to give them a few drops of lubricant and let it work its magic. Make sure you have some paper towels nearby and you're working in a spot that won't get ruined from a little bit of oil. Thanks to my 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil, my tools are ready to get all of my to-do lists done today. Look at that. So much better. The best part about this product is it's less than $4. Our to-do list is done, and it took us no time at all because we had tools that function, and this inexpensive product is less than $4. Thank you for following along in my yard work today. I'm a huge fan, and I recommend this product.